Hello, my name is Benjamin Kepner, CEO of Global Social Media Marketing, Google Ads and Google Analytics instructor with Digital Workshop Center, and also a Google for Education certified trainer. Today, in our Google Ads course, I'm going to be talking about how to create a Google Ads account for your business. So let's go ahead and jump in.
Hey, in this video, we're going to be showing an example of a bathroom remodeling company. The name of its natural surroundings remodeling. They're based in Pennsylvania. And this is walking through how we create that account for them.
I'm going to log into my business email and go to Google Ads. I'm going to do sign in, and I'm going to do a new Google Ads account. Okay, and then what we're trying to do is we're trying to get more website sales. It's our main goal. And we can use the Google My Business account. So if you have a Google My Business, do you know if you do?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Is it going to be the same
Yeah.
potentially name? Natural surroundings. Next. It's going to come back and scan your website. And then it's just going to pull it up, make sure that's the right one. Okay, then it's just gonna have us create a general ad from what it's copied from your website. So we're not doing any campaigns right now. It's just going through its process of setting up your account. So I'm gonna put some of this information in just so that it has it. We're not gonna show that location because we don't have that set up. We're just gonna leave the text as is for now. Okay, we're not going to worry about doing all this keyword research right now. And I am going to plug in your location so it has that. No. Okay, next. We'll just set a small budget. We're not going to run any campaigns. And do next. Okay, change this. Change that in a second. It's fine. Promotional. And then we're going to need to plug in a card. We'll do that in a second. Next. Let's put just an Eastern. So it's in continue. Okay, so now we can go through and add some of your company information here. Natural surroundings modeling. The name of your business is LLC or anything?
No, that's correct, just like that.
Okay, and then who do we want to have as the name on the account? Okay. Submit. Looks like it wants a payment, so I'm going to see if I can edit that. Or a billing setup.
You can use your card if you want. I don't care.
Yeah, I just want to. There we go. There we go. Okay, great. Submit. See if that works now. Okay, cool. So you've got your account created. Okay, we can skip all of this for now. Okay, so your account's created. So I'm going to make sure, number one, that you guys have access to the account. So right now I've got it. It's an invitation. And then do you want me to just use the emails from our email communications? Is that what you want to have for access?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to do this email. Number 1. So admin, send. Okay, so you'll get this admin access to your new Google Ads account via email. You'll just get that email, open it up, and accept, and you'll have your admin access. So that's done. So you've got admin access. Any of these people can create ads, look at reports, update your billing, things like that. If for whatever reason you need to change your credit card or payment, you can just go to settings in the top right here, and then you can change your payment methods right here. Okay, so it'll tell you that. It's not too crazy. Just review settings and then billing and payments. One other thing we want to do to make sure is that no campaigns are running. Settings, access preferences, language, account name. Let's add this. Natural surroundings. Save. Data protection officer just means, same type of thing. If for whatever reason you ran ads in Europe or internationally, you have to protect those privacy laws, GDPR. I don't imagine you guys running anything in Europe, so I think that's okay. So you've been approved to run ads. You don't have any suspensions. We have everything good here. And I really just want to make sure that this is paused. Yes, pause campaign. Okay, and I definitely am none of the above. No, and a. Okay. And then what I want to do with your Google Ads account, what it does is it creates a basic account for like smart campaigns. We need to switch this to expert mode, and there's a setting on that. Oh, there it is. That's what we need.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is to just, the stuff that we actually need to use. So really this is your main interface as kind of an intro, right? So this is when you log into your Google Ads account, this is what you'll see. And you guys, if you create any new campaigns, we want to go to new campaigns. So this is the main kind of interface. You have the expert mode turned on. It's set up. Make sure that you check your emails tonight. Just make sure that you accept those by tomorrow. I think there's like a 24-hour period or whatever. Your billing is set up properly. All of your company information is there. Only people that have access to the people you provided to me and myself. So really your next step here now is to create the ads.